Hi everybody, I'm Heather from the Nocatee Welcome Center, and I'm so excited to be with my friend Kelly of ICI Homes, and we are in the beautiful community of Timberland, Ridge, and Nocatee. And today Kelly is going to show us this quick move-in home, so it's ready for you today. But first, Carling is going to show us this location. It's just beautiful. Kelly, tell us where we are.
So we are here in Timberland, Ridge, and Nocatee, of course. We have our playground, our gathering lawn across the street, and our little doggy park, which is a favorite of our fur babies.
This lot and this location is just perfect, and we're also right near the entrance of Timberland Ridge, so very easy to get out of this beautiful community. And this particular community, we always hear, is known for your preserve lots and lots of preserve lots, pond lots, so you're going to see lots of trees, and even at this particular lot in the backyard you'll notice that too. So let's take a look at this two-story house.
So this is our Palisade. It is a two-story house, 2,500 square feet. Of course, we have a beautiful front porch here. This is our craftsman style elevation. We have 8-foot doors when you enter. Of course, you have a nice front porch. You can sit out with your rocking chairs, watch the doggies, watch the people across the street.
But if you had kids, Kelly, you could sit in your own yard and be watching your children play in that green space.
You totally could. That's right.
This is an amazing location.
It is. So it's a great location, but it's a great house. So I want you guys to come in and take a look.
Oh, show those floors, Carly.
Oh, yeah. Yes, so this is that wood look tile. It's the wide plank. It's so Florida. It's a nice light color. And then after you enter, of course, the home, you have, this is a great room. It's a flex space, but it also has a closet, so it can be used as a 5th bedroom for this home, which you have a lot of nice natural light. Of course, you have the closet, so you can make this a bedroom, an office. If you have a at-home office, this would be a perfect space, especially with the French doors. You're able to shut your office out. Yeah, that's right. Shut the family out.
So great bathroom right here.
Yeah, we do have a great bathroom, and we actually, in one of our options, added a shower. So if you do use this as a bathroom or a 5th bedroom, you have a shower option. So that's great. Or if you're just out, you've been at the beach all day and you want to shower when you come in, not take, sand upstairs, you can do that as well.
I actually love that. And you know what? Of Nocatee, there are people, though, maybe you get up earlier than your spouse. This would be a great place for them to take a shower.
That is a really great
space. Still be on that first floor. Okay, look at this space. Look at the kitchen.
Yes.
Just beautiful.
It's so pretty. And then, of course, you want to take a look at the...
Let's look at that real quick.
Okay. Heather, I hear you love laundry rooms.
I love laundry rooms. Let's see. I gotta see it. Okay. I want to let you know, ICI Homes did not disappoint. This is a very wide laundry room. 2 people could easily be back to back in this space. ICI just put one little shelf there. There's so much you could do in this space.
Yeah, and we actually even rough plumbed it if you wanted your little
sink. Thank you.
For the laundry.
I'm glad you guys did that, because I do love a sink actually. So
yeah, it's very easy during construction.
Now, Carlin, let's go back to this kitchen, because I want Kelly to show you some great features with the cabinets. So if you'll go all the way around, so Kelly can point out the cabinet.
Of course, this is a granite countertop. It's a really popular color that our designers had picked out, especially for this home. But in our cabinets, we have the slider drawers in all of our boxes, which is really nice.
So nice.
Yes. And then, of course, another shelf, so you can easily pull things out. You don't have to reach in the back. Save your knees. Of course, we are a gas community, so we have the gas cooktop, 4-burner, which if you've cooked with gas, it's amazing. Our northern friends love the gas.
I bet they do.
Yeah. Of course, we have the oven tower and the just a nice space for your cafe, morning, your coffee area. Yeah, but this pantry.
Okay, I love
fabulous.
that you think maybe there's no pantry here.
That's right.
You open this door and you've got a very long, deep pantry. Plenty of space to store things. So if you are a large family, don't worry. You've got plenty of room to store your items, but also close it off, which I like with this solid door.
Yes.
So that's a nice feature. And then I love how the kitchen just flows right into the living room space. And you've got the beautiful windows. But one of my favorite things, Kelly, and I noticed this right when we walked in, was the collapsible door that went the entire way behind the wall.
You know, Heather, it's actually the wow of this house.
It really is the wow. It really is. I mean, this space, you could do so much, and you want to entertain when you walk in this space.
That's
which
right.
I love.
Yep.
And then I want to go outside, Carlin, just to show you. Kelly pointed this out to me earlier that we've got plumbing over here to the left. So Kelly, do a lot of people do outdoor kitchens?
You know, a lot of people do outdoor kitchens. So we have rough plumbed it for your sink, and of course you have your gas drop for your grill. So that just makes it even more of a great entertaining space. And then with this size yard, it's a fabulous size. So if you eventually wanted to put in a pool or a fire pit, you know, screen in this lanai, I mean, there's endless possibilities to make this a great home.
This seems like a really big lot to me when I walk in. And also, there's so much covered space. So when we have those afternoon showers in the summertime, you know, just for like 20 minutes, you could really sit outside, which would be nice because you've got that hard roof. You've got the recessed lights in here, and you've actually got in the middle, you can put a fan if you chose to.
Yep.
Keep the buggies away.
That's right.
In the summer. But again, look at this space. Carly, and also show you how the kitchen flows into here. So also the way you choose to do your dining area, you can put really long tables, like a table for 12 in this space over here if you'll show Carly.
Yeah, like the barn style or the bench style. Yeah, definitely.
I mean, it's just endless what you can do.
Yeah.
I can't wait. I want to be invited to everything.
That's right.
I always think that I'm like, can somebody just invite me in your home after you buy it? I want to see what you did.
Yes.
Okay, so now let's go into the owner's suite because I do like that this is separate from the rest of the house.
It is. It definitely is. And you walk in and you have these wow ceilings, this nice cathedral 13-foot ceiling height, and then of course it is pre-wired for a fan. But you have these beautiful picture windows that add in a lot of natural light that look out to that beautiful preservation area. So
this really is a tall ceiling.
It is. Yes.
It's pretty incredible.
Yes.
Yeah, and I love the picture windows. You know what? Shame on us. We should have lifted those blinds. That is breathtaking. No, but it really is. But I love that this bathroom, because it's got the his and her sinks, but what's so great, I like that y'all put the wall in between so that you can do so much more with storage, you know, on each of your sides.
Yes, definitely. Yep.
Very pretty.
And then of course this shower is a showstopper. I mean, it is gorgeous. It's huge. It's wonderful.
Look at the glass.
Yes, it has the frame with glass. It has the
I love this. I love the little bench.
Yeah.
Oh, Kelly, I love the bench. Show the bench. I'm sorry, y'all. I don't care what age you are. We all need that bench.
Yeah, okay.
And then this does have a linen closet. So let's show that. Yeah, it's always just good to know. So a great linen closet. And then also this actual clothing closet in the back. You've got to see that. It is a really, really big closet. Plenty of space. Again, ICI Homes just put a few shelving in just to give you an idea of what you can do, but there's really so much that you could do in that space. And lots of cabinetries. If you didn't get it, Carly, make sure under the sinks you get, because there just is a lot for both sides. And actually, I should be like just mine and mine.
Yeah.
You know, mine and mine. I'm no longer going to be like his, her. No, mine and mine. Mine and mine.
I love it.
I want to remind people too that we of course are with Kelly of ICI Homes, and we are in the beautiful Timberland Ridge. And Timberland Ridge in Nocatee is located on our northwest corner of Nocatee. And what's great about this location is that you're very close to the Nocatee Parkway, so it's very easy to get in and out of our ever-expanding community of Nocatee, because we are getting so big in our 12 years of growth. And also with Timberland Ridge, I want to remind you that there are beautiful sidewalks in the neighborhood and sidewalks connecting you to the Greenway Trail, which is across the street, just down a little ways. And that Greenway Trail takes you underneath the Nocatee Parkway with your golf cart, your feet, or your bicycles, and you can go shopping at our great town center. And the town center is so popular with people. We're getting great restaurants, doctor's offices. So with Timberland Ridge, you don't have to drive your car. So please know that. Great location.
It is. And then upstairs, of course, you'll have 3 bedrooms and a loft area and, of course, a full bathroom. But these are really nice sized bedrooms and with the great natural light.
I love this. So if you do have 3 kids, bam, they're all upstairs. You've got their loft area. Or you can also, if you just have guests and you don't have 3 kids, it's a great entertaining area. Again, separate from the house. And also, something I just thought about. These 3 bedrooms are not over the owner's suite.
Yes.
Why is that important? Because when you're in bed at night in the owner's suite, you're not going to hear footsteps above you.
That's true.
So actually, this layout of this ICI floor plan is phenomenal.
Yes. Yep. This Palisade is a very, very popular floor plan.
I bet.
Yeah. And it's really nice too to have this extra loft space so that
Yes.
you are entertaining and the kids can all come up here. And then of course you have the doggy park right across the street, which is really fun for the kids to, if their friends are outside playing and then they see the playground. And yeah.
And that's another thing, Timberland Ridge is unique. I mean, not all of our neighborhoods have their own dog parks in large green space like this. So this is a special thing about your neighborhood in particular. So I want people to come and see the beautiful Kelly of ICI Homes. Timberland Ridge really is almost sold out, everybody. So when it's gone, and then guess what? The northwest corner of Nocatee is gone. So first, again, thank you as always. I always love filming with you. She is awesome. But ICI Homes, part of the Nocatee family, we're so blessed. So thank you for always watching Walk Through Wednesday. We've got the beautiful Carling behind the camera. I'm Heather and beautiful Kelly.
Thanks,
Bye,
guys.
Bye.